Hello guys, this is Market Insights, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about intuitive machines. Lately, the past week or two, I made my last video, and I've been a little busy. I've been busy with life, but we do see that Lunr is selling off, and it sold off from even last week from like $28, $30 a share, and I felt like that was a good correction for Lunr and needed to do that, but $18 is just way oversold in my opinion. And we do see that there is a lot of manipulation and volatility with the stock. Again, it's almost like a low float stock also, but we do see that in the morning, pre-market, even post-market, it's up. And then right when the market opens, it gets shoved down. It gets pushed down. So very unfortunate. But is Lunr going for a bullish reversal? It seems like it might be. And I'll be honest, if it goes above the previous close, like if it goes from $19.50 to $20, I would say yes, definitely. Definitely it will be. But if it kind of hangs around this little channel of 18 or even $17.50 to $18.50, it's probably going to just hang around there. You never know, it could even start to go right back down again, right? So very oversold. And if we look at the technicals, it's basically a sell on everything. Oscillators is neutral, but the moving averages is a sell. And if we do see the next moving average, $18.48 would be a buy, a simple moving average of 200. But even before that, if it goes below that, it's going to be $14.94. How I'm trading Lunr at this current moment, unfortunately, I bought it at around $28, and I was trying to do a cover call on Lunr, kind of start the wheel strategy. I was hoping for it to stay around $25 to $30. And I had one for $30 a week or 2 weeks ago. And unfortunately, on Friday when SpaceX came out, it went from like $30.50 all the way down to $26. So it didn't hit my strike target. Didn't hit my strike price. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to be doing cash secured puts and keep rolling them out until it goes up to a certain price. And I could get it basically called away. I want it to be bullish. Right now, it's kind of something that I'm like, dude, are you kidding me? Kind of reminds me of SoFi in a way. But again, that's how stocks move, right? So I'm going to try to keep it for the long haul. And why I went to the cover calls is because why I went to the options. Options are looking okay at the current moment. Can't really see that. But I like it on Yahoo Finance. But the call options and the put options, their contracts are actually kind of on the more expensive side. So if you're trying to do a wheel strategy, intuitive machines, again, not a financial advisor, intuitive machines might be the best option for yourself, right? I also wanted to look up on AI or on Gemini, kind of what's going on with intuitive machines also. So intuitive machines has a high short interest, 34.79 million, which accounts for 34% of the public float. Lunr is above industry average short interest of 8%, indicating a heavy bearish sentiment or active hedging from investors. Again, a lot of people might be doing put options on Lunr to push it down, but it could have a big short squeeze. Again, trade wisely with Lunr. I would have never thought that Lunr would be at $18 right now. I thought the average would be like 25 to 30, but it got even pushed down more. And that's kind of what I'm doing is I'm just going to be doing cash secured puts. And if it doesn't hit what I wanted to hit, I'm going to keep rolling it out until I feel like the price target or until it starts to get bullish. Because at the end of the day, I don't want shares. I just want premiums off the stocks that I'm doing. And Lunr looks like it's a hit or miss at this point. If you're willing to keep Lunr for the long haul, kind of like SoFi, it could be a long-term buy opportunity for Lunr, and it's good to get in the space sector. But due to what was going on, who knows, right? Anyways, this is Market Insights. I hope you guys have a great day. Be blessed. We only have one more day in the market. And I'm hoping the general market starts to actually perform a little bit more because it seems like almost all the stocks, other than some of the AI companies, is down. So anyways, have a great day. Peace out. Bye. Like and subscribe.